In this video, you'll learn about Udemy Black Friday deals and how to take advantage of significant discounts on courses. This guide explains the steps to browse, purchase, and access discounted courses during the Black Friday promotion. Every year during the Black Friday shopping season, Udemy offers substantial discounts on many courses. These promotions typically occur in late November, coinciding with the global Black Friday event. You can expect dramatic reductions in course prices compared to their regular costs. Thousands of courses spanning various categories become available at reduced prices, making this an ideal time to purchase multiple courses. Planning your learning goals ahead of time is essential to maximize the benefits of these deals. When the Black Friday promotion starts, the first action is to visit the Udemy website. Here, you will browse through the selection of discounted. You can utilize the search bar to look for specific topics or explore various categories such as programming, business, marketing, or design. As you navigate the site, many courses will display their discounted prices directly on the course page, making it easy to identify which courses are on sale. While browsing, it is crucial to read reviews and check course ratings to ensure you are selecting high-quality content. By comparing different courses, you can make informed decisions that align with your learning objectives. Taking advantage of the sale allows you to acquire new skills at a significantly lower cost, enhancing your educational experience without overspending. Once you have selected the courses you wish to purchase, the next step is to add them to your cart. After reviewing your selections, proceed to complete the checkout process. Even during the Black Friday sale, the purchase process remains consistent with standard course purchases. You will be prompted to enter payment details, and once the payment is successfully processed, a confirmation will appear indicating that your order has been completed. After completing your purchase, the courses will be accessible in your learning dashboard. Most Udemy courses offer lifetime access, allowing you to learn at your own pace. Additionally, you can download resources associated with the courses and track your learning progress as you go. Purchasing during the Black Friday sale can lead to substantial savings, enabling you to invest in your education more effectively. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.